It's a very different and new experience to learn because I haven't learned anything like this before.
I would say revolutionary method for teaching going forward.
The new concept, online concept, and then you also have used the best of online systems. It's fantastic actually. The online system, as students can ask questions, it's very interactive. The students can listen to the teacher and then we just like.
So the concept is really innovative. They are using cutting edge technology.
Once we get started at the beginning of the year, for the first two classes, we're getting adjusted to the new systems because for most of us it's our first time doing online classes. So once we get all the equipment in place, we've got the internet connection, the microphones, the digital pen or the tablet. Once we get all of these in place, it's pretty smooth for the rest of the course. There's absolutely no problems. The Learning Center is also very easy to use. I mean, it's very organized. It helps with the students being organized. There are the class notes, the question banks, the solutions to the quizzes and the assignments. So it makes it very convenient, saves us time.
Technology is definitely in a superior level. So when I just log on to the site, I can get everything done with just a matter of clicks. Suppose I want to send Deepak sir a message, I just click on the messaging tab and I can just type out my message. View when I have classes or classes next week, what class do I have, what subject. It's really easy to view everything. So I'm able to prepare myself beforehand itself before attending the classes.
During the online classes, it's very convenient to clear doubts. It's pretty seamless and smooth.
I ask at least an average of maybe 1 or 2 questions during the class. So those questions get answered, and then and then it's really easy to ask questions through the messaging site. So.
It's very helpful because everything that we need is available on the Learning Center, and it's all there. It's very organized. Then there's a messaging system through which we can talk to our teachers even away from the classes.
I think the best part of this program is the ability to get your doubts clear.
The Learning Center, I think it's very efficient the way it's done. I mean, like every message is put across in a very small duration of time. If I have any doubts, you just post it in the Q&A forum and you get it in probably like minimum of 1 hour or something, maximum an hour. And it's pretty good.
But the most important thing about the Clear Concepts program is we get video recordings. So if we miss classes or even if we want to view the classes again, we can watch them throughout.
You have the recording, so you can just go through the recording and you know what the teacher, how he explained it to you. And
the facility of recording the session.
Yeah.
All the students, it's not possible always the 2 hours spending in the class, they will be able to listen to what the teacher is telling. So even if they miss out something to grasp during the class, it's always available for them, which is a wonderful facility available in this course.
It all makes it a better experience.
And the other things like virtual lab, you can experiment yourself with it. You actually get the proof yourself while experimenting. So it's not that you just learn from the thing, but you also experiment with it, which is good.
Has been very good and is able to relate to all the teachers well and connect well.